All right, so we see the USD JPY starting to push up a little bit. Um, See if we can get the EUR USD to turn down. That would be very nice. Doesn't seem like he wants to do it though. Yeah, it looks like the UJ wants to get going. Big level at that 108.886. Big level. Starting to move up. The UJ starting to move up. EU, like to see this move down a bit. Oh, nice. Al Willis. Nice. Nice. All right, so we'll see. We'll see if the EUR USD wants to stop us out or stop you out, and one of them is going to get going. So we're going to have a limit loss on one of the products, and the other products are going to be able to run. So we'll see. I expect one of them to lose, so it's okay. All right, now the EUR USD is a loss. Okay, small risk this morning. Okay, stay with the USD JPY. Stay with that to the buy side. Stay with that to the buy side, guys. Yeah, get out of it. It's acting silly. Okay, so we got the USD JPY in on a chart. We just lower this here. So stick with the USD JPY. Let's see if this wants to take off to the upside. Looking at a much bigger move than 10 pips. What do you need, Robinson? What do you need, brother? What you need? What you need? Hi. What can I do for you, my man? Guys, I'm going to be working on a course, by the way. A course. And it's okay. Okay. So, what do you mean you don't have? You mean you don't know how to enter? Okay. No, if you don't know how to do anything, then don't do anything. Robinson, Robinson, don't do anything. Robinson, don't, no, don't trade. Okay, I don't want you to lose your money. It's $50, no big deal. But I don't want you to lose your money for no reason. Okay, slow down. Don't move. I got an idea. We're gonna find. Oh, jeez. Okay, Robinson, put the mouse down. Robinson, Put the mouse down. Okay? Now, push the mouse away. Push the mouse away from your hand. Just push the mouse. Okay, good. Like, all right. So don't move, all right? Because if we say anything, you're going to end up trading. What's going to happen? We don't want the DAX index in Germany to fall because you're losing your money. So, okay, we're going to protect you. Everybody relax. All right, hold on a second. Oh my God, I have to be honest with you. I had a hard week, man. I had to make some tough decisions this week, but it's for the good of the company. So this is a good laugh. All right, so don't move, Robinson. I gotta find the video. Looking over my shoulder to see if Robinson's like trading or something. Okay, hold on. We're doing like surgery in the middle of the air while we're flying. It's like slow down, Robinson. You don't want me to sing. Okay. You know how they have those things uh, like when you like when you when you realize like something happened. So I'm like sitting there trying to type in my login, and I have this face. I'm like, when you realize you forgot your login to your own company's website, you know, I gotta be like the most upside down guy in the world. All right, guys, listen. The USD CAD, USD JPY is not moving. Exit it here. It's a break even trade. Just exit it here. No sense. No sense. Leave it alone. All right. USD JPY. Just get out of it. All right. Let me find this thing for our friend here because I don't want him losing money because he doesn't know why. So let's just do this. Okay. And I'm gonna. Okay. Here. Here. Them. Okay. I got it, Robinson. I got you now. I got you. Okay, Robinson, you go to your back office, and those are the tabs, man. You see it? Just go to those tabs. That's all you have to do. All right. Listen, let's get out of the JU, UJ, whatever you want to call it. There, it's up to you, Henning. My father used to call them some bitches. Ryan, my father used to do the same thing. He died calling everything a some bitch. I don't know what it meant, but he used to go, that some bitch don't work. I'm like, what the hell is this? What's up? What's my father talking? He's like, that some bitch. My father grew up in the South. It's like South Carolina. And then he would use the words, God Almighty, God Almighty, God Almighty. I'm like, Dad, what's God Almighty mean? All right, guys. Let's go, God Almighty. I'm like, what do you mean by God Almighty? I used to call him God. My ex-girlfriend used to call, only was he God Almighty. It's God Almighty. She's like, that's your father. Thought Darth Vader was my father. Some bitch. Okay, guys, let's try this again. The EU once again. Let's watch this. Nope. Nope. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. Okay, Oxygenus. Watch this. View, Market Watch, right click, show all. Okay? View, Market Watch, show all. Okay? In terms of the Al Willis, in terms of the 15-minute scanner charts, just go to the back office where you downloaded the scanner and scroll to the bottom. And when you get to the bottom, down there you're going to see a video that says the binary option scanner. Okay? I'll have to call my dead father on you. He's going to go, God almighty, some bitch. What'd you say? Is it me, guys, or I'm the only one that misses like the best trades that ever happened? Is it me, or you guys do the same thing? Like you look back and you go, "Where was I right here?" It's like I missed the good ones. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Got some nice work, but got to be real about it. Okay. Just trying to see what's on the scanner this morning. That's all. Then I'm going to change the charts a little bit. I'm going to show you my other indicator that we have. Okay, guys, look right here. AUDCAD, AUDCAD, sell zone up here. Sell zone up here. AUDCAD. Okay, this is all sell zone in here, guys. Sell zone. All right. Stop is higher. Sell zone on AUDCAD sells. Stop loss is 99,353. Okay, that's me typing it in. I have the other charts up. So let's just see. Let's just see if resistance is being found up here. Okay, let's just see if resistance is being found up here. If it is, great. Otherwise, we got small risk. Let's just see what kind of risk you got in the market here. You got about 14 pips. Nothing big. All right. AUD, CAD, we got sells going on, and we're looking at the sell side to see if this market wants to turn down. Mm-hmm. You can get back below this little line right here. That would be nice. Right back below here, that would be nice. In the mornings, guys, I'm going to be real with you. I like the futures a bit more in the morning sessions. In the evening sessions, I love forex, got big moves. But in these morning sessions, things dry up. Nothing really happens as much. So I'm not as big a fan on forex as I am on futures in the morning sessions. Guys, you gotta be on the London session with me, okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we catch some big moves. We put some really beautiful trades out there all the time. You guys gotta be there. You gotta. I mean, look, we're gonna have a new platform on Monday in terms of the live trading room, but you gotta be in the live sessions we have in London because that's where everything starts from. Here in the New York session, it's follow through. It really is. It's follow through. And with the Forex market, the New York markets are follow through from what happened in the London session. Make sense? So everything really starts there. The trends get started there, and everything starts from that point. Let's just hope this thing turns down, not goes up, not go up. Let's just see if this wants to turn down. Look how wide the spread is getting. You see how wide the spread is getting? This is such a silly way to trade here. Very small risks here, guys. You're taking very small risks this morning. I'm not seeing anything big, so I'm just trying to feed you a little bit, see if we can make a little bit of money. If not, you're not going to get hurt. Okay, that's a good thing. Very small risks. Stops at 99353. That was just weird how it widened up. Sometimes you get like a wide spread when the markets change directions. You'll get to see that. Sometimes you'll see that, like when the market changes direction, it'll just widen up real big. I don't know why. Oxygenaceous. That's a real stressful way to live, man. I have to be honest with you. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Jay Pips, were you there or what? Jay Pips, you in the room this morning? Straight nuggets. Oh, that was you? Oh man. I showed these guys how to make some money this morning on the futures market in like 15 minutes. It's like how to go show them how to make a little cash. They're like watching like charts. Let me go show you how to make some cash. Let's not watch the charts. I went in. I was just showing them. Yeah, guys, we're getting ready to exit this AUDCAD. If it doesn't move in the next minute or two, I'm gonna call you to exit it. Okay? I'm not going anywhere. See if it goes lower. Yeah, but Oxnatius, if you got $200 to your name, it's not really the best for you. All right, guys, things are starting to move down a little bit. Let's just see what. So as you can see, we had a nice change in structure up there. The spread widened out. So make a note to yourself that when you see the spreads widening out, okay, when you see things widening out at turning points, that means it's right there becoming a reversal pattern. Okay? When the spreads widen out, tend to see reversal patterns. Make a note of that, guys. Make a note. Okay. The stop right now, right here, 0.99258. 99258. Okay, guys. AUDCAD, you were sellers up there. Now you have a stop in at 99,252. And let's see if this wants to go lower. Okay, let's see if it wants to go lower. Okay, guys. Let's see if this AUDCAD can go lower. So we gave you the sell side up here. And now your stops are there. So basically, not going to say break even, but a little bit, a very tiny bit of risk. So if the market does go down, you have a home run. If it goes up, you're not going to get hurt. So I'd like to see it go down a little bit further, and I will call to change the stops. Now, what we're doing yesterday, let me see here. This is yesterday's range high and range low from yesterday, right? That's the high. That's yesterday's high right there. So if the market can get below that, we're home free, okay? So that's the level you want to watch, guys, to get below.
traders. Hopefully, it'll keep us legally compliant. I think that.
Mm-hmm. So we're waiting to see if this wants to drop a little bit further, okay? AUD, CAD, we're on the sell side, a bit higher. And now we want to see if the market wants to trade lower for us, okay? Or for you. All right, guys, watching to see if this can turn down the AUD, CAD. Right here, Luke. So you draw the line, right? Right click. So what you have right now is this. Okay? Here's what yours look like. Okay, Luke. AK dude or whatever. AK whatever. AK Aki dude 92. So this is what happens to you now, right? Like that. Left click, double click. You see that? Trendline properties. Make this a little bit thicker. Parameters, uncheck ray. Okay, then right here in the middle, because you have three of them, you can move it around. If you double click it right there, it stops moving. You can't move it. Got to double click it, and you can move it any way you want. Okay. Now remember, whenever you leave it, the next line is going to look the same. So if you change this right to black, the next line you draw is going to be black. There you go. You're now AccuDude 2.0. Your life will never be the same now, AccuDude. That's it. You're like the AccuDude. You just changed the game. My programmer just told me we have an average of 500 new users per day for the past 20 days using the scanner. Is that insane? New users on the scanner. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. He just told me, he's like, what are you doing? He goes, the past, oh my, but it's been, he's like averaging for the month, for the week, 15 days. Oh my God. Um, you know what, Brandon? Hold on. After this, let me just do it right now. I would say, I got a book. All right, guys, I got a book. I got a Dropbox book for you. Okay. Okay, right here, guys. Right here. That book right there. That's a very, very good book, and that's on Elliott Wave. All right, very good book on Elliott Wave. I want you to read that book, Elliott Wave. One of the best books you're ever going to get out there. That's a great book, guys. Elliott Wave. I got another one for you guys. I got another one for you. Here's another link, okay? This link, all right? This link is the power of the oscillator. So one of the best books on in the ever on MACDs and oscillators was written by a guy named Walter Brescher. My former mentor and business partner read his book that was developed in the, I think like the 1980s. This actually came out, the 310 oscillator. So on chapter 13, you're going to see my 310 oscillator right here. You see this? So right there, you're going to learn a little bit about it. All right? Right here, guys. We're going to go bring your stops down to 99.216. Okay, guys, you're bringing your stops down on the AUDCAD. I can't help you, my friend, with the can't get, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at pay. I think it's chapter 13. All right, so chapter 13. Yeah, stop loss is down at 99216. Okay. Now, those of you that can know how to take a profit out, how you enter and scale out, we're going to watch to see if this pushes down even further to get you out of partials. All right, so if you don't know how to scale out of a position, exit the whole thing down here. If you know how to scale out, exit half of your trade here. So exit half of your trade. If you don't know how to exit half, exit the whole trade. You're penetrating yesterday's highs. So now if this fails here, you could have a lot more to the downside. But if it doesn't, you can best believe you're going to get a big bounce up. So right now, if you know how to exit half, exit half. If you don't know how to exit half, then basically exit the whole thing. Okay, so you're locking in money. You're locking in some profits. Okay, guys? You with me on this? You with me on this here? So no matter what, you're locking in a profit on the trade. Now we're going to see if this market wants to fail here and continue lower. All right, J Pips, you see this? J Pips, right? J Pips, remember that? What we talked about this morning? Our zone? Remember we talked about how the entry zone on the harmonic scanner plus the additional indicator that we have? How crazy is that, right? J Pips. So let's watch this, guys. If this breaks here, it goes straight down. Okay? This is big. Yesterday's high is a big deal. Yesterday's high is a big deal. To lose yesterday's highs. I haven't got a chance, guys, and I promise I'll get the translation software done when we go into the new platform. When we go into a new platform, you got to ask Michelle. She knows. Okay, guys. So now we're looking to see if this wants to break a little bit lower. Adds a home run. Okay, let's just see. Big deal over here, guys. Big deal. I would like to see the exit right down here. Right in this area, I'd like to see the exit. Okay, guys? X marks the spot. No, you should not jump in again. You should not jump in again. Okay? Why do you want to jump in again when we had the trade up here? Why do you want to do that for? You exited here, take your wins, walk away. All right? Otherwise, you had half of your trade taken off. Your stop is up here now. All right? Let's lower the stops, guys. If you're in the trade, let's just lower the stops down now. Let's protect 99,161. 99,161. Okay, so if the market goes down, great. If it goes back up, great. If it goes down, you got a target down here. Okay? But this is a big area. Remember, yes, prior days highs, prior days lows. Biggest pivots on the planet. I gotcha. When the market came down, right, and then had a bounce right there, like that. You see that? That's why I put the stop. You see that? The market had a little bounce. I put a stop right there. That's a good question. No, Monty, the stop is not break entry. The stop is much lower. Okay, we were shorting up here. The stop is now lower below the entry. Okay, unless you got in late. In that case, it's break entry. Market's up here, not down there. Stop right here is not break entry anymore. It's now a profit. Unless you did it wrong. I mean, what do you want me to tell you? Well, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Actually, you know what? We'll see. We'll take the stops away. We'll take the targets away. Let's just see if this wants to float a little bit lower. Nice. Okay, guys, we're still here just watching. Right, you probably listen to me breathing. So let's see this if the market can push down a little bit. Okay, so now we're below the prior day's high. Okay, the market's below the prior day's high, and that's a sign of weakness that the market is back below the prior day's high, and they're possibly turning back down. Okay, so this is the prior day's high right here, and we're watching to see if the market can turn down. Got your stop in place right here. If the market does pump up again, no, Shiggy, it doesn't mean that. Shiggy, let's think about this. So you have $100 account. Exactly. So 2% on $100 is $2. So the risk and trade size you want to use would be equivalent that it would be $2. Okay? Honestly, Shiggy, do you want me to tell you the truth? Can I tell you the truth, Shiggy? Stay on demo and build up to $500 and then trade. Just stay on demo, man. You know, I live in a resort that has a casino. And in the casino, I go downstairs and you see people spending 25 bucks, 10 bucks, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, and they lose their money really quickly. I go down, I'll bring $1,000 and I'll win 100 bucks. I walk away. But you got people with 100 bucks trying to make 100 bucks and they lose 100 bucks. So there's a thing called having scared money. Scared money means that you really can't afford to play the game. So you're scared to lose it. And I would rather you have $500 and risk 10 bucks than have 100 bucks and risk 2 bucks. And I'll tell you why. If you have 500 bucks and you're going to risk 10 bucks. So let's just say you have one micro lot, right? And you have one micro lot and you have 100 pip stop. That's 10 bucks, right? That's 10 bucks. It's 2%. If you have that same 100 pip stop now on $100, you're going to lose $10. That's 10% of your account. What's up, Wealthy Chuck? Hey, Wealthy Chuck, I'm not going anywhere. I'm with you, buddy. I love your post on Facebook. I'm with you. I'm not going anywhere. Let me tell you something. Screw the haters. Screw those that are in control, and screw those that try to stop us. Nobody could stop us. IML is stronger than everything out there. Okay? We're fully loaded. Don't you worry about us. We got it. We're holding you down. I appreciate you holding us down. All right? I appreciate you holding. Yeah. Let me tell you something. I had some pressures. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm not going to lie. They wanted us to stop doing business. They didn't like the fact that we had all these IBOs. There wasn't that much customers. And they said, you know what? That's an illegal pyramid scheme. I immediately stopped everything, put everybody into compliance immediately. I got the best attorneys, period. Now, you're going to get paid out because we got everything into compliance immediately. We were blowing up. People love our products. But they don't want to hear. But they don't want to hear that 70% of the people use our product. You're going to take some of these stupid skincare lotions and these powders and jokes out there, and that nobody even uses their products. They put them in their trunk. They put them in the garage. No, people use our product, but they don't want to hear that. They don't want to hear that 70% of the people use our products. Know what they want to hear? Oh, go get a customer who doesn't want to share it. They want to hold us down. They're basically saying, listen, even though you're using the product, but now the fact you pay an extra $15, you're not considered a customer. I'm sorry. In my eyes, you're still a customer, but there's nothing I could do. They took my hands, they tied them, and they said, you want to be legal? You got to have a customer that's not an IBO. And I'm like, what's the difference? What's the difference? And with that, they basically said, you got a choice. Either you're going out of business or you stay in business and you follow the rules. I'm like, I am following the rules. But they don't want to hear that. They want you to kowtow. They want you to lay down. They want you to step away. Oh no, Chris, you can't do business. Screw you, I don't do business. You think I'm shutting down? You think I'm stopping? No. We got ourselves the best lawyers in the world. I got Spencer Reese, I got the best lawyers in the world. They turned around, they put me in complete compliance. They turned around and protected me. Now they said, go out and build your business. Go do what you have to do. Go change people's lives. So, yo, let me tell you something. It wasn't fun telling people I'm not allowed to take care of them this week. Now they can't stop us. I'm telling you, now they can't stop us. Go build your business. But they tied my hands and they said, go ahead. You make payments, you're going to have big problems. I'm saying like a freaking animal. Knowing people need us, right? You guys need us. And here, they don't want us to eat. But you know what? Everybody eats now. Everybody eats. They're not going to stop us. They're not. I got the best lawyers. People listen. I know people have to make their rent payments. They have other things they got to take care of. You know what I'm saying? But they put us in a position we couldn't do that. That if I did that, I'm violating the law. So you know what? We got everything right. This week happened to probably be the hardest week since I was 17, 18 years old. Right? 32 years. That I can't believe that those in control want to control you. If I tell you, I cursed out every one of them, they all just didn't care. They don't care. Bottom line is, guys, it's not only us. They're going after everybody. They don't want anybody to eat. But you know what? Our product is so strong. People are freaking using it. They're using it. Our product's extremely strong. Nobody's going to stop us. No. I'm coming out with more product. I'm going to keep adding product. You have no idea what's to come. Right? Look, our services are worth $1,000, $1,500 a month. For what? $150? But no, they're like, because they pay an extra $5, that makes them a sales rep. They're not actually using the product. It's called internal consumption. Screw you. Screw you. Screw the juices. You know what? We got the best product in the market, and they don't want us to succeed. You have no idea what I dealt with for 3 weeks. But here's the funny thing, guys. For 3 weeks, you've never seen me flinch. They can't stop us. They can't. Did you guys know for 3 weeks I was under did you realize that? Did I even act like it? Do you guys realize that? Did you guys see me falter? Do you see me come up here bitching and moaning like some of these guys on freaking Facebook with the big $100 they couldn't make? They're ready to shut us down, but they couldn't do it. I had my lawyer. I paid him quadruple. You work overnight. You do what you got to do. You get us straight. He said to me, go trade. I got you. Go take care of your business. And we did. Did you ever see me bitch and moan that we have problems, that they tried to stop us from protecting our family, our people? And you got these little stupid Facebook haters, the Rezzes and all these guys making jokes about our $1 promo. Let me tell you something. I'm 15 times the size of his business. 15 times. No, I'm 18 times the size of that guy's business. 18 times. I thought we were cool. I'm 18 times the size of their business. Okay? That tells you something. 56,000 people in my company right now. 56,000 people. Screw you. You know what? We're going to 560,000. We're changing lives, guys. I'm not stopping. I'm adding more stuff to them. Yeah, I'm a threat. You know what? Let them all walk away. Let them all work for us. Let them all work for us. How dare they? How dare they know that there's an issue and they step on you? Your competitors, I love everybody. I encourage other companies. I would never hurt anybody. That's not what we do. But what? They see you got an issue, but you know what? Now I changed the game. You know what? That dollar promo changed the game. We changed the game, guys. You know what? I'm not charging. Think about this. $200, right? We had about 5,000 people sign up to the dollar promo. How much is that, guys? $1 million? Is that $1 million? Think about this. $1 million, right? I charged $1. Okay? $1. I left $1 million on the table. That's how financially strong we are. I don't need the money. That's why I put $1 out there to show my faith, to say, you know what? I'm sorry. And I'm going to help you get customers. And I'm releasing you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, what's up? I'm showing our haters we don't need the money. Here, $1. Sign up for $1. Save yourself $200. God bless you. I don't get it. I don't get it. But you know what? We're going to dominate, guys. I will add more products. We're going to add more services, better solutions. I got more traders coming on the FX signals. You know what? Nobody's going to stop us. Nobody. And I do tell you one thing. Do not ever knock another company. Don't go out there knocking other companies. We have nothing to prove to anybody. All right? Everybody talks about how they're their first person in the business. I got articles older than them. Articles that I read that are older than some of these people. All right? Think about that. My stuff's in books, like from Bloomberg. They're publishing books, cited. All right? So you got the right family here. I just gonna do our best to look out for everybody. You got guys. I think you got like Brandon Boyd, an amazing individual. He just did this video, guys. He's been with me for the past 4 days. Look at this video, all about customers. This is what leaders do. They step up and they take care of you. All my chairmen, I had 13 guys come out here and they stood around. They said, "We got you." We got this. They're never stopping us. Never. It's impossible. Guys, I'll be honest with you. If they fuck with us anymore, I'll move to Hong Kong. And I'll be more aggressive. Yo, Asia, I'm coming out there if they mess with us. You know what I'm saying? Anybody mess with I will not stop. We're doing things legal. We're doing things compliant. They try to press us, I will get up and move. You know why? It's an internet business. I can live anywhere we want. No, I will do whatever we can. I'm not going to stop the dream. Facts. Our dream is strong. Our dream is consistent. We do things legal and compliant. We don't step on anybody's toes. I'm in my own lane. But everybody wants to knock us, right? Go ahead, knock me. Where's your products? Right? Our products pay people. You guys making money with me right now? You guys making money with me right now? Of course you are. All right? Yo, let me get the futures going. We gotta. Let me get the futures going, guys. I'm going to leave the Forex up. All right? That's it. We'll leave the Forex up. So Darwin Lopez and Jay Pitts and those guys were doing a webinar this morning, a little webinar. So I jumped in. I was like, "What's up, guys?" So I did some trading in the futures earlier. So oh man. So okay, hold on a second. Let me get all this right here. I've been holding this some steam, man, for like 3 weeks already. I'm finally able to talk about things. You have no idea. So check it out. We made $240 with Darwin this morning. I was showing him how to trade futures. All right, so let's try to make some money here this morning, guys. Let me get you some profits in the futures, okay? Oh man, nah. And I was saying to Darwin, I said to him, I thought you guys were kidding. You know, I thought everybody was kidding. Like when they talk about they don't want you to eat. I I can't believe that that's the truth. It's like, why? Like, what do you mean? And I didn't even know what he was talking about. Well, you guys, I don't know what you guys talking about. Don't worry about it. You keep coming here every day, Wealthy Chuck. You watch the futures with me, okay? You're gonna be a baller, man. I'm telling you. I'll show you the game. I will show you the game. All right? Oh, wait, hold on a second. All right, let me just fix this here. Guys, tell me if you get stopped out on your balance with the Forex. They can't see it, okay? I'm sorry, guys. You gotta do what you gotta do. Ain't nobody stopping us. No way. No way. No way. Easier fighting with a pit bull. Stop us. Now what? Now check this out. All of our competitors, if they don't have the customer requirements, guess what? They're not operating legally like we are now. Think about that. Think about this real hard, guys. If another company comes to you and tries to solicit you and say they're a better company, ask yourself, are they selling subscriptions or are they selling product? Think about that. Think about it. Are they trying to sell you to sign people up? No. We got it right. Hey, I don't know nothing about that. All I know is if they don't have a product, number one, that's bad. Number two, if they're selling you to recruit and they don't have a customer program, you know what? Talk to the FTC. Don't talk to me. You know what I'm saying? Talk to the FTC. I just know one thing. We're doing things legal, compliant. We have qualifications. We have customer minimums, requirements. That's the lay of the land. While we're here in this world, while we're alive, we have to follow. Look, when you're in Rome, you have to do as the Romans do. And here we are. We're in Rome, like a freaking dictatorship. We got to do what they say to do, right? And we'll do it. We will do whatever it takes. We're not going to keep it good. We'll keep it compliant. We keep it legal. And we're still going to dominate. Still going to dominate. We're still going to dominate. Step in my toes, step in my way? No. We got another thing coming. You're better off fighting a bear, man. Take care of, I know I'm aggressive, but it's better off fighting a bear. You ain't going to go against IML. All right? All right, so we started about $250 here. So depending on what we're going to lose this morning, guys. So as I say always, okay, you're going to keep your risk to about, you're going to keep your risk to $300 on the day, guys. We're using 2 contracts, 2 positions. Okay, this is similar to Forex, except it's called futures. You do the same thing. Okay, it's the same thing. I don't want you to get all stressed out. Same thing. All right? Okay. All right, guys. We keep it positive. We don't knock people. We don't knock any other companies, but don't let anybody knock you. All right? Not right. We do the right thing, guys. We do the right thing. All right? Always stay positive. In my world, in the trading arena, in the educational arena, companies help each other. We all help one another. I will get you some phenomenal educators to come in and help us. I'm not sure if this is an opportunity to sell here, Mark. We're watching the futures, guys. I'm going to turn the Forex off for a minute. Watching the futures. Okay, guys? We're watching the futures. Watching the futures. Okay? Watching the futures here, guys. Okay, I'll turn the Forex on when I see something. But right now, the AUD CAD, keeping your stops at 99161 for your balance. If you shorted them, sold them earlier with us, you're in the profit mode. If it stops out, I'll let you know. If it goes down, I'll turn it back on. I'll tell you when to exit. But for now, watching the futures. We don't do futures on MetaTrader 4. It's too expensive. Don't do it. There's a platform called NinjaTrader. There are several brokers that offer NinjaTrader. I suggest just go to NinjaTrader. But you don't want to use MetaTrader 4. The spreads are too wide. Don't do it. You can use NinjaTrader. You can use AMP Clearing. That's a good company. All right. So look, we're risking $300 on the day. Okay, so you're gonna risk $300 on any one trade. That means you can risk 3 points. I may take smaller risks. Okay, but if we go over that, just clock yourself out, walk away. All right. I don't want you guys, whoever's trading with me, to lose more than $300 in one day. Bottom line, guys, is our model is very profitable. Okay, we're watching up here. We're watching up here. Watching this, guys. Watching for potential sells. Watching for potential sells. We're watching for potential sells, guys. Okay, guys.
Order
Sell them.
pinned.
Very
Order
small
filled.
stops. Very small stops. 77 stops. 77 stops. 1 point stop. 1 point stop, guys. 1 point stops. 1 point stops. Actually, 77 and a quarter. 77 and a quarter stops. Let's see if they hold this little resistance. Okay, we're risking $125 here. $125. That's it. All right. We could always go into another trade. We were doing that yesterday. We had to bounce back a few times. So let's just see if this wants to turn down. Let's see if this is a big area. If we get a turn down now. All right. Keeping everything tight. Everything tight. All right. We got some nice profits in the Forex markets right now. Let's see if the futures want to pay us. Okay. Let's see if the futures want to pay us now. Okay. Let's see if the futures want to pay us, guys. I was already up about $240 on the day. I want to see if we can make some profits in the futures, guys. Oh, man, we're working overtime here. Let's see if we could turn down. For 77 stops, guys. 77 stops on the day. 77 stops. 77 stops. All right, let's see if they turn down now. We turn down, we're golden. Let's turn down now. Come on. Let's turn down. We got to get below that big black line. Below the black line. Come on. Come on. Get below the line. Okay, guys. 76 is your stop, break-even stops, guys. You have no risk on the day, guys. No risk on the day. So if the market turns up, we can break even. If it breaks down to the downside, we're going to have a profit. Let's just see if this breaks here, guys. Let's see if this breaks to the downside. Let's see if it breaks to the downside, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I want to see it get all the way down here. All right, big. This is a big number. This halfway point is a big number. I'm not really so confident in it right now. Okay, let's see if this wants to turn down. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it wants to turn down. Break even stops, guys. We can't lose money right now. You can only make money or break even. Think about that. You can only break even. We got all the power in the world. We got no risk on the table. Zero risk, guys. We can't lose money. So if it bounces up, we start over again. Big deal. All right? Our levels are so freaking exact. Our levels are so amazing. Really are. Right now, we had a little bit of a bad entry. It was a bad entry. It wasn't the best. All right, wasn't the best entry. It is what it is, though, right? I'm staying in the trade, guys, because I feel the potential is bigger than the risk. We have zero risk, and if we can hold and break here, positive. But we're right in the middle of yesterday's range, so this kind of a little bit difficult. All right, a little bit tough of a trade. All right, a little bit tough of a trade. See, not the best, guys. Not the best. The market was so fast, we didn't get a good entry either. Not the best. All right, not the best. Oh boy, I smell some profits coming. Could always enter back in later. We could always break even for the day. There's nothing
Target
wrong with that.
filled.
Guys, girls, I have to tell you one thing. I think we've created a profit. So listen, no matter what, we can't lose now, huh? We can't lose now. We can't lose now. We can't lose now. We can't lose now. We're breaking even. We got profits on the table in here, guys. We got profits. We got profits. We got profits in there. Guys, why don't we do this? Why don't we just take the money, walk away for the day? Take the money, walk away. Take the money, walk away. Walk away. Walk away. We took profits, walk away. Okay? Walk away from the 97% of the morons in the world that don't want to be independent and be independently successful in their life. Walk away. Walk away from the profits. Take your money, walk away. You have nothing else to do. All right? Who else makes $150 in 7 minutes? Who makes $225 in 7 minutes? Who does that, guys? Who makes that kind of money? Show me your profits, guys. Show me your profits. Nobody's stopping us. Nobody's going to steal your dream. We've got you on this, guys. Nobody will stop us. IML is going to crush everything that's out there. We are the best thing that's ever happened to the industry. We will not stop. We will not be denied. Don't you ever forget it, guys. Show me all your profits. Oh, let me put a disclaimer. Let me put a disclaimer. Profits are not typical because iMarkets Live is not like everybody else. All right? Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Okay? And that's that. And that's that. That's that. The entertainment's worth the fee. Come on. Hold on a second. Don't move. You think I forgot my music? Don't move. Hold on. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Whew. And that's that. And that's that. All right, guys, you're out of your All right, guys. All right, guys. You see here, you're out. You're out of the forex market. You caught some profits there. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ho ho. Wait, I'm I'm getting a call from Jill Ya. What's up, Jill Ya? What's going on in the house? Oh,